Hello my dear children. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, it means in this class, we will start chapter 4, revision. We are doing revision. So let's begin today's class. Here you can see chapter 4. Chapter 4 is all about birds' behavior. Now, I'm going to solve the MCQ. Here you can see on page number 46. Page number 46, exercises are given. It means choose the correct answer. For each question, you have 4 alternative answer and only one is correct. From all these 4 options, one is the correct answer. So, let's begin. A bird with a long pointed beak. A bird with a long pointed beak. We know hummingbird. Answer will be hummingbird. Now the second question is birds like ducks, swan, spoonbill have. They have broad, soft and flat beak. What is the specialty of duck, swan and spoonbill? They have broad, soft and flat beak. Here you know the meaning of beak. Beak means chonch. Now third is feet. Feet with 3 toes pointing forward and 1 toe pointing backward helps the birds in. What helps bird to holding the branches tightly? Holding the branches tightly. 3 front toes and 1 back toe helps birds to holding the branch tightly. Now fourth is a bird that lays eggs in the scrap on the ground. Scrap on the ground. Here plover. Which bird lays eggs in the scrap on the ground? Plover. Answer will be plover. There are others, so many birds, but here which name is given? Name of plover is given. So we can tick plover. Now next, the weaver bird makes a. Weaver bird makes a which type of nest? Bottle shaped nest. Bottle shaped nest. A feature that does not help a bird to fly. Strong beak. Strong beak doesn't help a bird to fly. We all know that beak helps in eating. Then seventh is kiwi and emu. Keep in mind these 2 birds are flightless bird. Flightless bird. Kiwi and emu are flightless birds. Now spot the odd one giving out reasons. Here first we have to read, then we have to find out which one is odd and then why it is odd. We have to give reason why the particular one is odd. Number 1 is sparrow, spoonbill, parrot and pigeon. Sparrow, parrot and pigeon. Here spoonbill is odd one. Why? We know that the structure of beak, the structure of spoonbill's beak is different from others. Here we can see because spoonbill has broad and flat beak. Now next is vulture, owl, eagle and hen. Vulture, owl, eagle and hen. We know that hen is odd one because it is a scratching bird and it can fly only short distance while others can fly very high. Hen can fly short distances only. Third is ostrich, peacock, emu and kiwi. Here we know that ostrich, because of his large size, ostrich can't fly. Emu and kiwi are also birds which are known as flightless birds, but peacock can fly a short distance. So peacock is the odd one. Next is parrot, crow, cuckoo, pigeon. Here we know that parrot makes its own nest, crow also makes its own nest, pigeon also makes its own nest, but cuckoo doesn't make any nest. So this is the odd one. Down feathers, body feathers, flight feathers, talons. Down feathers, body feathers, flight feathers are the different types of feathers, but talons. What are talons? Talons are those birds which are dependent on flesh of other animals. It means flesh-eating birds are called talons. Now next, here you can see quick assignment is given. Quick assignment, it means tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. It means you have to answer and one is correct and other one is wrong. So birds are how many feet? How many feet birds have? We all know that birds have 2 feet. 2 ही तो पैर होते हैं birds के. Now second is feather. Beak is short, hard and horny. We know that beak is short, hard and horny. Third is strong hooked beak is used. Strong hooked beak is used just like parrot have, are used for cracking the nut. Here keep in mind hooked beak. Hooked beak is used for cracking the nut. Fourth is small hair-like light feathers that cover the bird's body are called which one? Down feathers. Next, cuckoo does not care about its own or young ones. Here we know that cuckoo doesn't care about its young ones. It doesn't make its own nest. It lays eggs in other birds' nest. So next is filling the blanks with appropriate words given in the box. It means options are given. We have to read the sentence and understand what it is saying. Birds build their nest. We know that bird builds their nest in walls. Few birds built their nest in walls. कुछ पंछी दीवार में भी घर बनाते हैं, घोंसला बनाते हैं. Birds use their beaks to collect materials for their nest. We know that चोंच से ही वो क्या करते हैं, materials को collect करते हैं for making nest. Cuckoo is a lazy bird. We all know that cuckoo, कोयल सबसे आलसी bird है. We should not disturb birds' nest. हमें पंछियों के घोंसले को disturb नहीं करना चाहिए. Father bird. What is the work of father bird? Here you can see father bird guards their chicks. जो father bird होता है वो क्या करता है, अपने जो बच्चे हैं, अपने जो chicks हैं उनकी रक्षा करता है, guard करता है. Now next is match the column A with column B. It means in column A birds, name of the birds are given and in column B their nest is given. So we have to read and match it. First one is cuckoo. We know that cuckoo doesn't make its nest. Then tailor bird. We know that tailor sews the leaves to make nest. Then sparrow. Sparrow makes nest in our home. Woodpecker. Woodpecker pecks a hole in a tree trunk. Weaver bird. Weaver bird makes bottle-shaped nest. I hope you all have done all the exercises in book as well as in your fair notebook. In the next video, we will only discuss about this question answer. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.